How to unlink PSN account from EA account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for ea.com. Well, the official page of EA will appear. Enter your login credential and then sign into your specific account. Once you're in this page, click on this icon at the top right. And then click on Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then head over to Connections. It will redirect you to this page. Different social media and the connections will be available to you. Scroll the screen towards upward. You will be able to see the accounts that are connected. Well, the PSN account is visible over here. Right beside PSN, it says Unlink. All you want to do is click on it. Over here it says you'll receive a verification code on your email address. All you want to do is copy that code and enter it here. Once you have entered the code, your account will be unlinked successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can unlink PSN account from EA account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.